I thought I'd throw this short video together to show you how to extract your MP4 streams out of your Camtasia TREC files if you needed to be able to do that directly without having to go into Camtasia and exporting that as a timeline. Now this graphic here shows you the content of what a TREC file contains. What I'm interested in is the webcam video stream. So I've been using Camtasia with my webcam essentially to record this video, so like this video right here. And one of the things I found is that sometimes I'm just doing a talking head video and I'll use it, but I don't really want to edit the video in Camtasia. I just want the raw footage. Other times I'm doing a screen recording like this one where I'm trying to demonstrate something on the computer. And so having both the video stream and the audio stream and the screen recording in one makes sense. And so depending on the situation, I may just want the raw video. And to extract the raw video out of Camtasia, I don't want to edit in Camtasia and then export out of Camtasia to be able to extract just the talking head video portion. So what you need to be able to do is just use this free utility called FFmpeg, and to search Google for FFmpeg, you go here, you click download, you click the Windows, and then you click Windows build. So you're going to download basically one of these as a zip file. Once you get the file downloaded, you extract the file. Let me actually go here. Let's see if we can see this. You basically right click and you do extract all in Windows. And it's going to extract it. I already have done that. It's going to extract this into a subdirectory, and then you can go in here and it has a README, but really the executable, the programs that you need to run is in the bin subdirectory. This is kind of a standard convention if you're not familiar in Linux. So now you have these command, but these are just command line commands, right? Command line programs. There's no GUI to it or GUI to it, so you need to be able to put this in the path of your user profile in Windows to execute it. So what I did was I went to my PC, and then under the C directory, I went to program files, and I created a subdirectory called FFmpeg. And then I just copy those files into here. So you basically create a subdirectory called FFmpeg, right? So this is C program files, FFmpeg. Drag these files into this subdirectory. So now you have it in this subdirectory. And then you need to open up your Windows command and type in env for your environmental variables. Drag this in so we can see it. And what we're going to do is edit this. And you need to add that subdirectory into the path. So let me see. So here's the path, edit. And you can see here I added this subdirectory into the path. C program files FFmpeg. So now when I type that command, basically what this does is tells Windows to search these subdirectories for the command to find it. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I just thought this would be useful. You want to go ahead and cancel out of this since I already have it. And so now what we want to do is go to my Camtasia subdirectory and go ahead and right click, and then what we want to do is open a terminal here. Okay, so once we open the terminal, let me see actually, and you type command. You need to type this because you need to get into, so this is a PowerShell terminal, right? So it's Windows PowerShell. We need to be in the DOS command line prompt. So now we're in a DOS. So notice the difference here. It's PS for PowerShell, and this is standard DOS command. But if you were to type FF, what you need to check is FFmpeg. This command needs to run from that command line. So now we're in the subdirectory of Camtasia, and we can run that command. If you do a door here, you can see all the files I have, right? So you can see all the TREC files, and then what I did was I ran this earlier and converted it, convert the TREC files into video streams output. All right, so what I'm going to do is I already did the 716 one. We're going to try, let's do 712, all right? We have some files here called rec 712. You can see there's a series of them, and we're going to run them all at once. So we're going to do, the command is as follows. We need is for %f, which is the variable, right? In what we're looking for is quote rec 7-12. We're going to just do star quote, right? So in this current directory, everything that has record 712 asterisk, perform this command on it. Do ffmpeg dash include that file name, which is %f. So we assign whatever the file, the current file is, since it's variable. We'll run this command on this file, and we're simply going to do C copy. We're going to do let's do out, but we have to have a unique file name, right? So what we're going to do is do unique file name. So we're just going to go ahead and out %f, substitute that variable in dot MP4, right? So now, so it's going to run on this directory, find all the files that has record 712 on it, and convert the TREC. But we're not converting, we're actually extracting it and creating another file called out, and then that file name MP4. So hope this works. Right, so we do dir. Now we should see, we can see here the 712 files with MP4. All right, so now I'm going to show you in here. See if we can find 712. So it's extracted the screen recordings, the video files, and everything. So now you can take this file and then go into, let's actually verify this. The audio is going to be with the talking head probably. Hey everyone, so yeah, there we go. So what you may notice here is it extracted all the different video streams. So like this is the screen capture of my web browser, of the various windows, my talking head shots was the talking head video, and another screen capture. Now one of the challenges of doing it this way is the screen capture is not going to capture the cursor, because the cursor is in Camtasia uses it just captures the coordinates of the cursor, so that you can remap that cursor into a different look if you want in Camtasia. So I wouldn't recommend this necessarily for the screen capture portion, unless you want to use specific things in your NLE to highlight the cursor movement, or to just kind of hide the cursor movement and only show it when you click in certain spots or whatnot. But this is a quick and dirty way to extract this. Now you can take these video clips as MP4 into your NLE and then edit them directly from NLE, and avoid having to edit in the Camtasia timeline if you don't want to work on that workflow. Depending on what you want to do, I think Camtasia is pretty good if you're just doing kind of a talking head tutorial. It's very quick and dirty, and then just export the entire sequence into another MP4. However, what you give up there is flexibility in your NLE to potentially do some further editing and synchronization if you need to do that. I hope you find this video useful. Click the like and subscribe button. I'll put more of this type of content going forward. Thanks.